Hi and welcome to this short video showing a first look at my Windows Phone 7 application for Windows Phone 7 Mango. The application is called Content Shield and it will store and protect all different kinds of your data and content in one place. Content Shield will be updated on a regular basis with more and more features being added. It is the first version and my very first application, so please be patient with its progress. Now I shall load up the application, let you see the current features and give you a short demo of how they all work. I've done a first time installation on this application to show you how to get started and how to use each feature. I'll start with my passwords at the top here. I'm always forgetting my passwords all the time as I have different ones for different websites and computers, so this section will show you how to store and protect your different passwords. So just like a password manager, it is split into different sections which I will show you now. So if I click on my passwords, it will take you into the password manager. And then you can see we've got different sections at the top going from general to social to email to instant messaging to popular, and we've got a password generator on the end. The password generator is not active in this build but will be when it's released into the marketplace. It's just finishing off as it was a late addition into the application. Right, I'll jump straight into the social passwords now. Give you a demo of that. To add a new password, you simply click on the add button at the bottom, which is very common in many Windows Phone 7 applications. All the time the menu will be at the bottom, so if I click into that, then you'll see choose your password type below. There's a block for a custom field which we won't use right now, and then you add your password here. So if I choose my password type below, I'll choose the Twitter one. Then ignore that block there, then add your password here. For password I'll just use password. And then we've got a checkpoint here. If you want to add another password after this one, you can click on that and then you can add another password straight after. Or if you just want to add this one, then just click add password and that one's added into there. There, as you can see, you'll see the Twitter icon there with the password below it. And then obviously if I click on this, then the password will show at the bottom left here, and then you can either delete that entry or you can click on the password and you can copy it and paste it to wherever you want it. If you're viewing a website online, then you can just copy and paste it straight in. Right, I'll add another password into here. We'll leave this entry for now and I'll show you how to add a custom password. If you click there, if you click onto custom field, then here you'll see you can add a title for your custom field there. For the title I'll put in Google Plus, Goggle, Google Plus, and then password again I'll use password. And then I'll add password, and there you'll see it appears. This icon here is the standard icon for a custom password. It'll just tell you that whichever fields you add using this, they will show up showing this icon. And again, if you click that, you'll see the password and you can delete that entry. I'll go ahead and delete that to show you that working. And there you go. I'll do one more. I'll go into instant messaging now. Choose your password type. I'll choose Skype. Password, password again. And then you can click add password and that's there. So that's pretty straightforward. They all work similar way. You can add as many passwords as you want here. And then we'll continue to add to this in future versions. I'll click back out of this now and then we're back to the main menu. We'll now go into my jokes section. I'm always sending and receiving jokes on my phone and searching for new funny jokes on the internet, so I thought it would be a good to add in a section where I can store all these jokes and even download new ones from Twitter, as you will see. Right, I'll take you straight into that. This is my jokes at the bottom. Right, as you'll see, we've got collection at the top. This is where all your jokes will be stored. Here I can delete and add new ones by either typing in this box at the bottom here, or simply copy and pasting new jokes into the box. So if a friend sent me a joke, then I can copy that and paste it straight into the box and store it there. Another great feature where you can get involved is sending your jokes to our Twitter feed. As you will see when I go over to the Twitter section to share your joke with us and have it appear below, tweet it to @CSJoke, and then that way when you send us a joke we can put it in this section, as I'll show you in a moment. Before I'll show you that, I'll add a custom joke and show you how that works. So if I click into this box here, I'll just put a random joke. And then you just click this add button here and your joke's added in. Very simple to do. Not the best joke though. Right, now I can click on this joke and then I can either remove the joke, or you'll see it appears in this box here. What I can do then is I can click in the box, I can click on the joke, I can highlight it, go all the way across, and I can simply copy this joke and then I can paste it and send it to a friend. And that's sent. Then I'll just go back into here, and that's how easy it is to send jokes and store them. Right, I'll just remove that joke now, and then we'll go into the Twitter and I'll show you how that works. Now this is done using 3G connection, so obviously Wi-Fi will be much quicker, but make sure you've got some kind of connection to get the jokes from Twitter. Now as you'll see, there's a sync button at the bottom right here. Pressing this will grab all the jokes from a Twitter feed and just list them here. So if we try this now, press the sync button, downloading jokes from Twitter feed at the top, and there they are. It tells you last time you synced this, time and date, and then here are the jokes. Obviously more jokes will appear over time, and especially if you keep submitting them. So what we can do here is we can click on a joke, there we go, and then we'll add it to as custom jokes, and there they are. We can go back, add another, add it to custom joke, there they are, and that way I can just click on that eventually, get there, copy it, and then I can paste that one in as well. So that's how to send jokes, and now we will go out of this section and we'll go back to the main menu.